Alright, ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. So how about we do some practicals with top-down analysis entry? I love to simplify trading for you guys so you can get the best out of trading. And this is actually a live market. As you can see, let me show you on my mobile phone, my MT4 on mobile phone, where I actually took the trade. I'm going to show you what it means to do top-down analysis. Everything is going to be captured in what I'm about to show you right here. So this is how it looks like on my trading account right here. I have already entered the trade right here. So I want to show you what it means to do the top-down analysis. So this is it. We're going to go through everything step by step. So what exactly is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis is simply you being able to look at what is happening in the higher time frame, then bringing it down to the lower time frame to get an entry. So that's basically what a top-down analysis is. Now there is a way I do it. If I am trading intraday, I would love to use something like the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame as my big boy time frame, or what I call the higher time frame. All right, but in this regard, I want to use just the 4-hour time frame so you can see what I'm doing. Now this is what we have on Euro USD. Price has been coming down. From the look of all things, we know we are in a bearish market. The only point we were about to turn to bullish market was when price actually took out this guy. It was a market structure shift, classical one, and then along the way, price came back again and shifted structure from an uptrend again, and this is a downtrend. So we are still in a downtrend. As it is with trading, you always trade in the direction of the trend. The trend is your friend. All right. So we have this as a downtrend. Don't complicate your trading strategy. Don't complicate anything about trading. Make it as simple as possible. So price coming back, shifting market structure. This is the 4-hour time frame, my big boy time frame. All right. I will pick my FIB level, put it from this swing high and bring it to this swing low. The way you take trade using ICT concept is that you want to take trade when price is going to the premium area, because I want to go bearish. That is as simple as that. Above this 50% area is called premium. Below this 50% area is called discount. So if you are selling, you will wait for price to come to premium and then you will sell to the downside. That's basically what it means to do premium and discount trade entry. All right, we are still going with this. So I will now drop down to what? To the lower time frame, but I will have to mark out the institutional reference point, or what we will call point of interest that price will want to go to. Now, according to PDRA, we have, this is a liquidity void. Liquidity void is simply when you see price displaced from a particular level quickly. So these very big candles, they are known as liquidity void. So price will always want to balance it to come back into this bearish fair value gap, or what is known as sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, CB. So the next thing to do is to go down to the lower time frame. Now going to the 1-hour time frame. If you have been watching my video, you will learn about things like gauging momentum, waiting for the digestion. I've never taught you about digestion anyway. I will teach you subsequently. You want to see price coming, retracing, going up, retracing, going up, retracing. And the ideal way to take trade is that you want to wait for the last higher low to be taken out. In this regard, this is the last higher low. Price pushed up to this place, coming back, pushing up again, and what we have here is a bearish mitigation block. It is a mitigation block because this other guy did not take out this guy, so the mitigation block is basically right here. Such a simple way to take your trade, no complications, no nothing, no any confusion. So this is a shift in market structure. So remember, what we have is basically, let me just mark it correctly so you can see. I don't want to complicate things for you. we have our overall trend as bearish, while the retracement is what? Is bullish. So all through this movement up, some people were buying, and then it is now in the point of interest. So we need to be careful because the institutions will want to come back to the trade. That is the purpose of knowing where the point of interest is. And we can see as soon as price entered the point of interest, it quickly shifted structure. It's telling you that I want to go down this time around. Again, I want to align with the master order flow, which is a bearish movement. Then we have taken out this last higher low. All right, we have a shifting market structure. With that regard, you can look for an entry either in the 1 hour time frame, because there is a bearish mitigation block, and what we have here is a fair value gap. You can decide to enter from there, or you can decide to go down to the 15-minute time frame and realign your entry. 15-minute time frame now is this. Let me show you such a simple way to enter trade. In the 15-minute time frame, you can look at this as your shifting market structure, and then you have another mitigation block right here. All right, so this is basically a mitigation block in a mitigation block entry strategy. So I could enter from this time frame, all right, where I'm seeing this guy as my point of interest. What am I risking in this? I am basically risking around how many pips, because I want to see where price may not go to when it comes to having a smooth ride from here to here. That's almost 25 pips, and then the target is almost 80 pips. So what am I doing? Instead of me now to enter the trade with 2 standard lot or with 4 standard lot, I will now, since I am having a very big stop loss, I will now drop it to maybe 1.5 or 1 standard lot, or to even leave it as 2 standard lots. That's how to do money management with that, since I'm having a very big stop loss. All right, and then the next thing, you can still go down to the lower time frame and still have an entry. That's what top-down analysis basically means. Going down to the lower time frame, we still have an entry in that regard. Price shifting structure here again. Let me show you. This is a shifting structure. You can see price come back to this place again. You can decide to take your trade from here. Again, if you missed out that one, you can see price maybe come back to this place and take the trade again. But I've already taken the trade in the 15-minute time frame. That's basically what a top-down analysis does to you. I hope this is understandable. So looking at my trade, I'm already running in profit. Let me show you what I have right here. I'm going to record everything to you step by step. That's the practicality of trading. I'm trying to see how I can help you out. It's already running on profit. You can see it right here, and I'm happy that I'm recording everything for you. This is my mobile phone. You can see the trade running already. I actually entered with 0.5 and 0.5. That's just 1 standard lot. Remember I told you, because I was trying to do money management. So I'm watching this trade happening. I'm going to record everything. I didn't even update the community members because I don't like to create so much of distraction to them. Let them see it by themselves and take the trade. So my first take profit is going to be right here. Let me show you where my first take profit is going to be here. I will take partials once price come here. Let me put it right here. Then I will decide to take second take profit around this area. That's basically how trading is. Such a simple way to trade. I will be watching everything happening, then I'll update you. Let me skip it from here. I will show you the outcome at the end of the day. All right, traders, still looking at our trade. You can actually see I just came back to check what is actually happening in the market, and you can see that trade is coming closer and closer to my first target. That is where I said I wanted to take the first profit. Let me show you what is happening right here on my mobile phone. Let me see. Almost 250 something dollar profit. Once I reach this place, I will take partials, or I will close one of these ones, and then I'll allow the other one to keep running. So I hope you're watching everything I'm doing. That is the wonders and the power of top-down analysis. I'm going to take you through everything in detail. So even from here, you can decide to protect your position, but I'm watching and I'm seeing everything happening. I want to make sure that I get the first target. I wish it can just reach here while I'm making this video, so I can just close it right in your eyes so you can see what it means. But anyway, I will still make sure that I update you. I'm watching this trade, so make sure you watch this to the end. I will skip it again and then I'll come back the next time. All right guys, not even far from there, trade has actually reached my first target. That was the place I actually put my first target, and I think from now I can just close one of the positions right here. All right, I'm making this video exactly on Wednesday. This is, I think, 19th of October 2023. So you are actually seeing everything I'm doing with the top-down analysis. And can you see that place I said can be the 5-minute entry? Let me show you. Price actually came back to that exact point I marked, and it is going. So I will be finishing this video right here. I've just closed one of the positions right here, so I will just edit this video and upload it in the weekend so everybody can watch it and learn how to do top-down analysis. So quickly, just a quick recap. I started from the 4-hour time frame. Don't forget. Let me show you what I did. I saw price trading into this area, into this place. I told you this is a liquidity void, and instead of me going to the daily time frame, I don't need to go to the daily time frame since I can see everything from the 4-hour time frame. I saw exactly what was happening, price trading into this particular fair value gap, and that was what gave me confidence. I decided to drop down to where? To the 1-hour time frame after seeing a shift in market structure. The ideal goal is to see that price is aligning with the downtrend, so I decided to go to the 1-hour time frame to get an entry. So I saw price, retracing back into premium, because that is where I want to take trade, perfect trade. All right, premium is just right above here. That is what top-down analysis. So notice how I dropped from 4-hour time frame to the 1-hour time frame. All right, now I will drop to the 15-minute time frame to get an entry. So after shifting market structure, I will drop to the 15-minute time frame and look for an institutional reference point where price may come to, and this was where price came back to, exactly at this point. And I decided to enter at this confluence where there is what? A mitigation block and a very big fair value gap, and price traded right into that place, and it is coming down right to that place. And I told you that if you want to enter in the 5-minute time frame, you can patiently wait for it. I told you can go to the 5-minute time frame. Notice how we are dropping down from 1 hour to 15-minute to 5-minute now, and I told you that there is another shift in structure after price have touched this. So if I were to enter in this particular time frame, my stop loss is going to be very tight. That is the beauty of the multiple time frame entry or multiple time frame analysis. My stop loss will be right here. It was supposed to be around, I think, 24 pips. Where is the ideal one? All right, 24 pips. That was what I showed you in the first place. So if I were to enter from here, my stop loss is going to be very tight, and instead of 24 pips, I will be putting my stop loss at 11 pips. So you can see everything step by step in detail. I didn't update the community about this particular signal, so I just closed one of my positions in case this thing decides to return back up. I've already secured my position. I'm going to move my stop loss now to break even. All right, I will leave just one position to continue running in the market, and that's money management, top-down analysis, and everything has been captured in one video. So guys, don't forget to give this video a like, make sure you turn the bell notification, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you guys. See you next time.